Hello students, welcome to the Maths online class. Dear students, how are you all? I hope all are fine and safe. Okay children, so today we are going to learn about Unit 3 Solve Word Problems. Unit 3 Solve Word Problems. Dear students, what did we learn in last class? What did we learn in last class? So last class we learned about subtract 2-digit numbers with regrouping. Okay. So today we are going to learn about Unit 3 Solve Word Problems. Students, listen. What is the symbol? Plus. Okay. What is the symbol? Plus. Next symbol? Minus. Okay. This symbol plus, this symbol minus. Next this one. Multiplication. Okay, so plus, minus, multiplication. Then this symbol division. Okay, so this one plus symbol, this one minus, multiplication and division. Students, there are 4 operations in maths. Okay, there are 4 operations in maths. So first one plus, second one minus, third one multiplication, fourth one division. Did you understand, students? Look at the slide. So today we learn about Unit 3 Subtraction Word Problems. Unit 3 Subtraction Word Problems. Children, look at the next slide. Today learning outcomes: solve word problems to subtract 2-digit numbers. Solve word problems to subtract 2-digit numbers. Children, look at the next slide. What is the symbol, ma'am? So first symbol addition. Okay, so plus symbol. Next one minus. Next symbol multiplication. Last one division. Okay, so red color plus symbol, green color minus symbol. Next one multiplication symbol. Okay, last one division symbol. So there are 4 operations in maths. Children, look at the next slide. Children, what is the symbol? Subtraction. Okay, subtraction means removing. Okay, children, listen. So the words, children, the words used in subtraction problems are how many more, remain, minus, decrease, left, subtract, less than, difference and take away. Okay, so this one keywords of subtraction. Okay, keywords of subtraction. How many more, remain, minus, decrease, left, subtract, less than, difference and take away. Okay dear, see the next slide now. Children, so today we learn about solve word problems. Okay, so first one, Seema has 32 mangoes in one basket. Seema has 32 mangoes in one basket and 24 mangoes in another basket. Seema has 32 mangoes in one basket and 24 mangoes in another basket. So what is the difference between the number of mangoes in the 2 baskets? What is the difference between the number of mangoes in the 2 baskets? Children, listen once again. Seema has 32 mangoes in one basket and 24 mangoes in another basket. What is the difference between the number of mangoes in the 2 baskets? What is the difference between the number of mangoes in the 2 baskets? Children, listen. Look at the next slide. So, there are 2 baskets are given. First basket 32 mangoes. Second basket 24 mangoes. Okay, first basket have 32 mangoes. Second basket have 24 mangoes. Okay, so but this question, what is the difference between the number of mangoes in the 2 baskets? keyword is difference. Okay, so the sum is subtraction. Okay children, look at the board. Students listen. So first basket 32 mangoes. Okay, next second basket 24 mangoes. Children, first basket 32 mangoes, second basket 24 mangoes. Okay, this question, what is the difference between the number of mangoes in the two baskets? Children, look at the board. Listen. So Seema has 32 mangoes in one basket and 24 mangoes in another basket. So this question, what is the difference between the number of mangoes in the two baskets? What is the difference between the number of mangoes in the two baskets? Children, so first, do you know Nadeau's rule? Nadeau's rule ma. Okay, so numbers and keywords. N means numbers and keywords. A, ask. Next D, draw to understand. Next O, operation. Next S, solve. Children, so first we find out the numbers and keywords. Okay, so this question numbers 32 and 24. Okay, first we have underlined the numbers and keywords. So 32, 24. Next, what is the difference between? So the keyword is difference. So we should subtract. Okay, the keyword is difference. So we should subtraction. Okay children. Next, D, draw to understand. Children listen. So 32, first number, second number 24. The keyword difference. The keyword is difference. So the sum is subtraction. Okay. So the sum is subtraction. Next, O. O means operation. So this sum subtraction. Okay children. Next is solve. Okay. Now we solve the problems. Children listen. So first one, number of mangoes. Number of mangoes in first basket. Okay, number of mangoes in first basket. So how many mangoes in first basket? 32. So 32. Next, number of mangoes. Number of mangoes in second basket. Second basket. So second basket have 24 mangoes. Okay, so 24. So the sum is subtraction. So we put subtract symbol. Okay. Next one, this question, what is the difference? What is the difference between the number of mangoes in the two baskets? So the keyword is difference. So the sum is subtraction. Okay. So next one, we find out the difference. Okay. So difference equal to. Children listen. So first place we know ones, second place tens. Okay. So 2, 4. So 2 is smallest number than 4. So we cannot subtract. Okay. So we borrow 1 10 from the left place. Okay. So 1 10. So this number 12. So here 2. Okay. So 12 minus 4. What is the answer? 12 minus 4. 12 minus 4, 8. Okay, 12 minus 4, 8. Next, 2 minus 2, 0. Okay, children. So, difference is 8. Okay, so we get the answer 8. Children, 2, 4. So, 2 is smallest number, 4 is biggest number. So, we cannot subtract. So, borrow 1 10. Okay, so this number 12, this number 2. So 12 minus 4, 8. 2 minus 2, 0. So we get the answer 8. So difference is 8. Okay children, did you understand? Okay ma. Next, see the next sum. Children, look at the slide. The second question, Ravi bought 36 apples. Ravi bought 36 apples and ate 15 of them. Ravi bought 36 apples and ate 15 of them. How many does he have left? How many does he have left? Children, listen. Ravi bought 36 apples and ate 15 of them. How many does he have left? Children, what is the keyword in the question? What is the keyword in the question? So the keyword is left. The keyword is left. So this sum subtraction. Okay, we should subtract. Children, listen. Look at the board. Children, listen. Look at the board. Second question. Ravi bought 36 apples. Ravi bought 36 apples and ate 15 of them. Okay, and ate 15 of them. How many does he have left? So this question subtraction. Okay, children. So first we underline the keywords and the numbers. Okay, first we underline the numbers and keywords. So numbers 36, 15. Okay, the keyword how many does he have left? So the keyword is left. Okay, so children listen. So Ravi bought 36 apples and ate 15 of them. Children listen. What is this? What is this? Apples. Okay, so Ravi bought 36 apples. Okay, then he ate 15 of them. Okay, he ate 15. So for this question, how many does he have left? How many does he have left? Children listen. So the numbers 36 and 15. So this question keyword is left. So we should subtract. Okay. So first step. Children listen. So what is the total number of apples Ravi bought? So total number of apples 36. Okay. Children listen. So n numbers and keywords. So first we have underlined the numbers and keywords. Okay. So numbers 36, 15. The keyword left. Okay. Next asked. Asked means this question how many does? How many does he have left? Next D. Draw to understand. So first number 36. Second number 15. Okay, the keyword left. So the keyword is left. So the sum is subtraction. Okay, so the sum is subtraction. Next is operation. So operation is the sum subtraction. Okay, next is yes, solve. Okay, now we solve the problems. Children listen. So first we write the total number of apples. Total number of apples. So how many apples? How many apples? So total number of apples 36. So 36. Next and A 15 of them. A 15. Okay. So A 15 of them. So A equal to 15. Did you understand? So first we write the total number of apples is equal to 36. Then A. So A is equal to 15. Okay children. Next we find out the left apples. Okay. So left equal to. So this sum is subtraction. So we put subtraction symbol. Okay. So first we subtract the ones place, then tens place. So ones place number 6, 5. So 6 minus 5. Children listen. So we will draw the 6 lines. Okay. We will draw the 6 lines and we remove 5 lines. Okay children. So how many lines are left? 1. So this answer 1. Next is 3, 1. So 3 minus 1. Children listen. So 3 minus 1. Okay. So 2. 3 minus 1. So 2. Okay. So 21. So we get the answer 21. Okay. So total number of apples 36. A Okay, so left half is 21. Did you understand? Okay children, next one. See the slide. Next third question. In a classroom there are 55 boys and 47 girls. In a classroom there are 55 boys and 47 girls. What is the difference in the number of girls and boys in the classroom? Okay, what is the difference in the number of girls and boys in the classroom? Children listen. In a classroom there are 55 boys and 47 girls. What is the difference in the number of girls and boys in the classroom? Okay, children listen. So how many boys? How many boys in the classroom? 55. Okay, how many girls? 47. So total number of boys 55, total number of girls 47. Okay, so now we find out the difference. Okay, now we find out the difference. Okay children, so what is the difference in the number of girls and boys in the classroom? Okay, children listen. Children listen. Once again, in a classroom there are 55 boys and 47 girls. What is the difference in the number of girls and boys in the classroom? Students, so the numbers are 55 and 47. Okay, the keyword is difference. The keyword is difference. So the sum is subtraction. Okay, the keyword is subtraction. So we should subtract. Okay children, listen. Children listen here. So this question, number of boys 55. Okay, number of girls 47. Next we find out the difference. Okay, difference in the number of girls and boys in the classroom. Children, so first one, boys. Okay, so numbers and keywords. So numbers 55 and girls 47. Okay, number of boys 55, number of girls 47. Okay, the keyword is difference. The keyword is difference. So the sum is subtraction. Okay, the sum is subtraction. So first, children listen here. So first we write number of boys. Number of boys. So how many boys in the classroom? 55. Okay, so number of boys is equal to 55. Next we write the girls. Okay, so number of girls. So number of girls is equal to 47. Number of boys 55. Number of girls 47. Okay, so this question, what is the difference in the number of girls and boys in the classroom? Okay, so next we find difference. Okay children, difference is equal to, so this place ones, this place tens. Next we put subtraction symbol. Children listen here. So this number 5, this number 7. Okay, so can you subtract the number? Can you subtract the number? Very good ma'am. So we cannot subtract. Okay, why? Because 5 is the smallest number, then 7. Okay, so we cannot subtract. So one borrow from the tens place. Okay, so one borrow from the tens place. So 15. Okay, so but this number is 4. Okay, so borrow 1. So but this number 4. Okay children, now we subtract the number. Okay, so 15, 7. So 15 minus 7. Okay, so we will draw the 15 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we will draw the 15 lines. So below number 7. So we remove 7 lines. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we remove 7 lines. Okay, so remaining we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So remaining boys 55, number of girls 47. So difference 8. Okay, difference 8. Is it clear? Okay children, see the next sum. Look at the slide. Children listen, fourth question. Class 2nd A has 24 benches. Class 2nd A has 24 benches. And class 2nd B has 32 benches. How many benches more does class 2nd B have than class 2nd A? Children, once again, this question, class 2nd A has 24 benches. Okay, how many benches in class 2nd A? 24. Okay, so class 2nd A has 24 benches and class 2nd B has 32 benches. How many benches more does class 2nd B have than class 2nd A? Okay children, listen. So first class 2nd A. Okay, next class 2nd B. Children, see the picture. So first one, class 2nd A. Next class 2nd B. Okay, so class 2nd A has 24 benches. Class 2nd B has 32 benches. Okay, class 2nd A 24 benches. Class 2nd B has 32 benches. Did you understand? Okay children, so this question, how many benches more does class 2nd B have than class 2nd A? How many benches more? How many benches more does class 2nd B have than class 2nd A? Okay, once again, how many benches more does class 2nd B have than class 2nd A? Children, listen. So class 2nd A 24 benches, class 2nd B has 32 benches. Okay, children, which class have more benches? Which class have more benches? 2nd A or 2nd B? So 2nd A 24, 2nd B 32. So which class has more benches? Very good. 2nd B. Okay, 2nd B has more benches. So now we find how many more. Okay, now we find how many more benches. Okay children, listen. Look at the board. So first one, Namsal. Children, first we write the numbers. So class 2A. Okay, so class 2A 24 benches. Okay, next class 2B. So class 2B 32 benches. Okay, class 2A 24, class 2B 32. Okay children, so class 2B has more benches. Okay, so now we find how many more benches in class 2nd B. Okay, now we find how many benches more in class 2nd B. Okay children, so listen. So the keyword is how many more. The keyword is how many more. Okay, so this sum is subtraction. Okay, so this sum is subtraction. So children, first we write number of benches. Number of benches. Students listen. So class 2nd A 24 benches, class 2nd B 32 benches. So this keyword how many more. Okay, so the keyword how many more. So the sum is subtraction. Okay children, so listen. So first we write number of benches. Okay, now children listen. So this number 32, this number 24. So first we write biggest number. Okay, so because class 2B have 32 benches. Okay, so first we write number of benches in 2nd B. Okay, 2nd B. Next number of benches 110. So 110. So this number 12. So but this number 2. Okay. So now subtract the numbers. So 12, 4. So 12 minus 4. What is the answer? 12 minus 4. 8. Okay. So 12 minus 4. 8. 2 minus 2. 0. Okay. 2 minus 2. 0. Children, listen. Number of benches in second B 32. Number of benches in second A 24. Okay. So second we have more benches. Okay. So how many more benches? 8. Okay. How many more benches in second B? 8. Okay. So we get the answer 8. Okay, children. See the next one. Next one, there are 62 black balls. There are 62 black balls on the ground. Okay, there are 62 black balls on the ground. A boy picked up 30 of them. A boy picked up 30 of them. How many balls are remaining on the ground? Okay, there are 62 black balls on the ground. A boy picked up 30 of them. How many balls are remaining on the ground? Okay, children, listen. Children, once again, there are 62 black balls on the ground. A boy picked up 30 of them. So, how many balls are remaining on the ground? Children, listen. Look at the board. Children, what is this? What is this? Ball. Okay. What is this? Ball. Okay, children. So this question, there are 62 black balls on the ground. Okay. There are 62 black balls on the ground. A boy picked up 30 of them. Okay. A boy picked up 30 of them. So how many balls are remaining on the ground? How many balls are remaining on the ground? Okay, children. So first we write the numbers and keywords. Okay. So numbers 62 and 30. Okay, children. Numbers 62 and 30. Okay. So total number of balls 62. A boy picked up 30. Okay. So 30 of them. So this question, how many balls are remaining on the ground? How many balls are remaining on the ground? So the keyword is remaining. Okay, the keyword is remaining. Okay, children. So remaining. So remaining. Okay, so the sum is subtraction. Okay, the keyword is remaining. So we should subtract. Okay, children. So there are 62 balls on the ground. A boy picked 30 of them. So how many balls are remaining on the ground? Okay, children. So first add us. So numbers and keywords. So numbers 62 and 30. Next keyword remaining. Okay. Next A means asked. So how many balls are remaining on the ground? Next D, draw to understand. So 62, 30, the keyword remaining. So the sum is subtraction. Okay, children. So next we find the number of remaining balls. Okay. So children, first we write total number of balls. Okay. Total number of balls. Total number of balls is equal to 62. Okay. Total number of balls is equal to 62. Okay. Next, picked balls. Okay. So how many picked balls? So picked balls 30. Okay, children. So total number of balls 62. So next, picked balls 30. Okay. Next, we find remaining balls. Okay. Next, we find remaining balls. So remaining is equal to remaining balls. Children, so the sum is subtraction. Okay. So first we subtract the ones place, then we subtract the tens place. So 2, 0. What what is the answer? 2, 0. So 2. Okay, next is 6, 3. So 6 minus 3. What is the answer, ma? 6 minus 3. 3. Okay, so remaining 32 balls. Okay, so total number of balls 62. Picked balls 30. So remaining 32. Okay, so discussing how many balls are remaining on the ground. Okay, so remaining balls is equal to 32. Is it clear, ma? Children, what did we learning today? What did we learning today? So today we learned about solve word problems. Okay, so today we learned about solve word problems. Children, did you understand? Okay, children. See you next class. Thank you, dear.